Hey Northwest, I'm Delilah Roberts and this is your Northwest Minute. Congratulations to the Northwest Rincon Show Choirs on a great showing at the Deep South Classic last weekend at Madison Central. The mixed group, the Ambassadors, finished third overall. The all-female group, the Allure, and the all-male group, the Ambitions, finished second and third, respectively, in the single-gender division. Cameron Armstrong was selected Best Male Soloist within a show. Seth Lucius was named Outstanding Performer for the Ambitions. Morgan Chisholm was named Outstanding Performer for the Allure, and Mary Ashlyn Griffin was the Female Solo Competition winner. Northwest Rincon DECA competed in the State DECA Conference a couple weeks ago. This group took home 7 first-place finishes in multiple categories. Congratulations to Harley Smith, who was selected as the new Vice President of Leadership for the state. She'll serve with a team of 8 students across the state to lead Mississippi DECA for the next year. Support the Northwest Rincon Thespians tomorrow night at their final restaurant night at Soulshine Pizza Kitchen. Be sure to mention Northwest Rincon Thespians when you order to make sure they get a portion of the proceeds. Congratulations to Gilbert Balderas, Gabriela Gonzalez, and Anna Marin. These 3 English learning students, whose first language is Spanish, have mastered the English language through LASLinks testing. Congratulations. The Northwest Minute is news for the student, by the student. I'm Delilah Roberts, and thanks for watching.